What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. The #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. And today, I can't wait to tell you about the app that's going to streamline your entire day. Agile is an all-in-one, white label ready business management platform that has all the tools you need to manage your business. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, if there's one thing you should know is that Agile comes jam-packed with features, so let's get into it. The first thing I want to show you is how to make Agile feel like home. You can white label the entire platform. Make Agile look and feel like your brand by adding your custom domain, uploading your logo, and even sending emails from your custom SMTP. Now, let's take a tour of Agile's many features. First, we've got the CRM. Your clients and leads act as contacts under accounts. Here, you can manage all the information related to your clients, including their contact details, related tasks, notes, meetings, and much more, like connecting your email client to handle all communication in one place. You can also invite clients to their very own white-labeled portal. Next, I want to show you how to use Agile's proposal builder to turn your leads into clients. These multi-page proposals come complete with cover pages, branding, and more to convert more sales. Once you've converted those proposals into projects, you'll probably want to manage them. Here in the project management module, you can quickly search to pull up any of your projects. The project dashboard gives you an at-a-glance view of your project's crucial information, your budget, and upcoming birthdays and milestones. And of course, every aspect of a project can be managed here. Next, I want to show you the finance module, which is super more expansive and growing all the time. In fact, Agile now includes accounting and client subscription features within the platform. You can create estimates and invoices, track expenses, and record payments. Estimates and contracts can be accepted and declined on the spot. AppSumo links, this is barely the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Agile. In the Tickets module, you can manage all of the support tickets created by your users and ad agents, ticket channels, articles, and reply templates to make customer service easy. You can also make HR easy in Agile's HRM. Manage your employee details, add departments, assign roles, check attendance, and even handle payroll and payments via the TransferWise integration. Like clients, your employees also get their own white label portal. AppSumo links, we have barely scratched the surface of what Agile offers. Real quick, let me run through some of the new features that have recently hit the platform. You've got an appointment toolkit and updated time tracking. Then, get your workflow right with customer onboarding flows, workflow automations, and awesome new integrations like Zoom, QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and more. And last, but certainly not least, the Chrome extension makes Agile that much easier to use. Seriously, what else could you need? Agile has everything you need to run your business in a single, streamlined platform. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on Agile today. You can also make HR easy in Agile's HRM, even sending emails from your custom SMP. Your clients and leads act as contacts, TATs.